Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Trade Like a Sniper, where I use a top down analysis approach with ICT's concepts in order to frame a trade on a lower time frame. Okay, this is how one can derive on their bias, narrative, and entries as well. So, watch and learn, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna use the replay tool as usual on TradingView. Go to a random point of time, starting on the 4 month this time on Ford Motor Company chart on using the New York Stock Exchange data where it is listed. So okay, here we go. Where is the replay? Okay, scrunch up the charts. Zimmy and go back, not too far. Okay, here we go. Great. Excelente. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we are working with here. Okay. So something of interest to me is this monthly, not monthly, 4 month gap. This should be on the 4 month. It is a unicorn in that it is also somewhat of a breaker / order block type of thing. Okay. We have an inverted, what's going on? How do I invert the chart? Okay. We have another breaker here. What could you call it? Reclaim, order block, or even a breaker. Just PD arrays. One thing to note here was the 4 month order block. Okay. It's the body threshold. Okay, so we saw that it did come into this one. Started expanding up. So it looks like we are going to come into this area, more of a premium. It came back into this one and possibly use it later as an inversion gap. So yeah, all right. So let's just go straight down to the 1 month and see what we got. This 4 months should be 4-month inversion fair value gap. Okay, now we have all that information on the 4 month. Down to the month. Let's see what we got. Okay. This order block is of interest to me. So we came into this one here. Let's see if we make another low into here. We also came into this one, right? This is the monthly now. So we expanded, came into the 4 month. That was already used, but there may be a higher time frame one as well. And just filled in more of the gap. I retraced into here, came up into this gap. Now let me see, do we come down or do we go straight up? Okay. Let's see where this month closes. Okay, looks like it's going to close lower. I'm interested. Okay, interested in it coming here as well. Let's see if we do move higher. I'm going to go straight down to the weekly. See if we can catch a move higher. See if we get any bullish fair value gaps being created on the weekly. Okay, so we're in our order block. Do we create a gap? No, we do not create a gap. Let's see, we are deeper. This is the main area of interest. Okay, back down into here. I'm going to go back down, back up to the monthly. All right, so pop. Okay, we closed. We came back into that inversion. Now we're moving lower. Okay, I want to go to the weekly and see if we can get a gap to go lower. Okay, so we're on the weekly now. So instead of going long, I would like to take a short. Okay, since this is a stock, You know, there are a lot of gaps as it's not a 24-hour market. So we came into here, nice equal lows here. I would like to take a trade lower. Lower where? Inside this gap, perhaps this order block, and back into this monthly at the highest. So let me plot out the range. Premium discount. Okay, premium's up there. Okay, looks like we may be just coming lower straight away. Well, let's see. Okay, can we make one more high? Okay. All right, so we came down a little bit back into this 4-month. I do want to go back into the 4-month chart. Okay, we're back in this area. Go back to the monthly gap here. Okay, so it's tricky doing it like this because this gap's forming on all the time frames and you got to keep on plotting them up. So I'm going to remove this. We're in a premium. Let me take out this 4 months. Okay, I'm looking to possibly take one more low target here in this range here. Okay, let's go to the weekly again. I see a gap here, opening gap. Also could be of interest. It could come into there. Okay, I'd like to go on the daily. Okay, we're in there. Let's go back to the monthly. Inside this range. Okay, let's go back to the daily. I'm going to put a sell here. Stop at this high. Targeting this low. Okay, it's a wide stop loss, 10%. But I'm not going to go to a lower time frame and wait for that actual move because the chart may not support that many candles. Look back and all the gaps and stuff. So, okay, let's see if we get this going down into here. Okay, we have a daily gap here. Back into this monthly. Consolidating in here. Not so much what I want to see. So let's say stop at break even now, just to be safe. If you didn't already take partials here. Okay, stopped out, break even. We're going higher. Let's go back to the weekly, see what's up. Okay, weekly going higher. Let's go back to the monthly. Monthly in here, maybe the 2-month, why not? Let's just do it. 3-month, 4-month. Okay. Back here into a 4-month gap. Weekly, daily. So this is the order block area. Taps into there, quite a deep close. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're in here. It's a big gap. Let's look at taking a short back to our target. Okay. Only a 25% move on the stock. Okay, back into this volume gap. Okay, comes all the way to this breaker. Comes down. Is it going to make one more spike up? That's the question. Let's just fast forward this thing. All right. Okay. At least we got our target. So yeah, almost got stopped out multiple times. Consolidated in this area. So let's go back to the time frame that we built this bias on, the 4 hour. There's POI there on the monthly. So the main area was this 4 hour gap. We came into there, expanded lower, and then our target was here. Let's say, where would we target if we had to hold a position longer? So now we came here, spiked up, came down. All right, it's already showing this candle. So it translated to a larger area, larger price action on this 6-month time frame, which is this. Let's go to the yearly. Yeah, great. Yearly gap, excellent. Shall we try for one more trade? There's a nice gap here too on the monthly. I don't know if it comes all into there because we came into the yearly. Let's see. Okay. It did not. Okay, I'm going to delete all the previous gaps so we don't get confused. What's that? Okay. Maybe this one. Okay, now we're in the yearly gap. July, August, September. No gap created. Here's the CB. We came into it, came down, closed here, and now it's okay. So no chance on this time frame. Let's go on the weekly. We would have some opportunities on the weekly. Big spike here. Let's see if we do come down into here or do we just keep expanding up. Okay. I like that area. Monthly, that's a 4-month, I believe. Yeah, 4-month gap. Monthly gap here. Okay. I'm just going to move this here. And let's just say a little bit below it was the 4-month. So we can just get a close above this area. Okay, let's go to the daily. Inversion fair value gap, 4-month. Monthly fair value gap on the right side. So consolidation, manipulation, breaking above. If we did enter here, don't know why this is yellow, but let's target where would we target if we're bouncing up? How about in this area? It's a nice breaker in there. Okay, and there we go. Target hit, 2.6R, 3.68R here. And yeah, 2 trades, short, long, really easy. Top-down analysis, higher time frame. Look at a couple of candles, go down to the lower time frame, take a trade, leverage that stuff, and make money. So that's it for this episode. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions or want to learn more from me how I do this, just get in touch. on TradingView Messenger or one of my other socials on my profile. Thank you very much. Till next time, R2F signing out. Goodbye.